What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel, and today we have DeWALT's FLEXVOLT brushless 60V Max, the power of corded, more than 3 times the power of 18 volts FLEXVOLT recip saw. We're gonna get it unboxed. I'm gonna tell you what I think about it right after this. So this is product number DCS388TI. I will say this, in my opinion, FLEXVOLT is pretty impressive. The battery pack itself can operate in either 20 volt or 60 volt max capacities. I think that operating at a higher voltage, like 60 volts, can make this tool run cooler and run more efficiently. It has a 3-year limited warranty on the tool. It has a 1 year of free service, and it has a 90-day money-back guarantee. The battery warranty is 3 years, limited warranty, 3 years free service. Pretty cool. These are some of the specifications. Keyless blade clamp, yes. Stroke is up to 3,000 strokes per minute. Stroke length is 1 1/8 inches. It has an electric brake, which is pretty cool, I guess, if you're gonna be setting down your tool. If your blade's still running, it could mar some type of surface. Tool weight is 7.8 pounds. Not bad. So what does this kit include? It has the DCS388 reciprocating saw. It has the DCB 606 60V Max FLEXVOLT lithium ion battery. It has a blade. And it has a fast charger and kit bag. Pretty cool. Let's get this unboxed. We're gonna use our DeWALT utility knife to unbox our DeWALT FLEXVOLT recip saw. We have the box. Out of the box comes a bag. I gotta tell you, this is a pretty nice bag. I like the way the handle's tacked onto the nylon bag. In addition to that, we have some rivets. We have some pouches here on the side. Feels pretty good. Not a bad zipper, it's just a little small. I like to see something a little more robust on my bags. First thing out of the bag is the DeWALT Rapid Charger or Fast Charger. This is the DCB 118. This thing is unbelievably fast and keeps the batteries unbelievably cool while rapidly charging them. If you wanted to see more about this rapid charger, go to this video here. It's cool that DeWALT includes a little wood with nails blade. We have our instructions for the recip saw and wireless certifications and safety information. I gotta tell you, this looks compelling. I'm gonna read this later. There's a piece of cardboard in here. I'm gonna put that right back where it was. We have the FLEXVOLT 6 amp hour battery. It's in a plastic bag. It comes with this little safety clip. Like if you had to transport this, you have to keep this red clip. If you were to throw this in a bag or something, and for some reason metal came in contact with the bars operating at 60 volts max, I mean, bad things might happen. So that's why you're supposed to transport it with this little red tab in place. The battery's shipping with 1 bar. Finally out of the bag in bubble wrap. Who doesn't love bubble wrap? Doesn't feel bad. Actually feels nice and compact. Has your quick blade change lever, pretty cool. Has your throttle lock or your trigger lock here. Tool only. Let's see if we could actually weigh this. Tool only is coming in at 7 pounds, 9.4 ounces. The FLEXVOLT battery, you have to please remove before use. We're gonna pull that up. I'm gonna pull this cover off the FLEXVOLT battery. Psych. I'm only joking. The battery weighs 2 pounds, 4.4 ounces. Take a look at that. Look at that. Battery and recip saw at 9 pounds, 13.34 ounces. It's teetering right around there. Now, whether that's accurate or not, I don't know exactly, but it's pretty cool. I will tell you, the front end of the saw, it's got a nice bright LED. I will say something I'm noticing about this that's different than other DeWALT tools, namely the oscillating tool, is that it seems like this FLEXVOLT recip saw has a soft start. Are you noticing that? Let's take a look at how the blade change goes. Pretty effortless. Now, on some other models of DeWALT recip saws, you could actually install the blade, different angles, not with this FLEXVOLT. Another thing that I find very peculiar for a recip saw at this price point, this is right now $299. I will say you're getting that awesome rapid charger, plus you're getting the FLEXVOLT battery, pretty cool, and what seems to be a well-built DeWALT FLEXVOLT tool. The only thing that kind of troubles me is there's no adjustable shoe. This does not adjust. This is fixed. It articulates, it moves back and forth, but this will not adjust in and out. And it's far back. So you'll be able to use your entire blade length because it's set at the lowest position. The thing is that if you were to use longer blades, okay, you are not able to move that shoe out further to make the blade more stable. I'm pretty excited to see how this thing performs. And if you're excited to see how this thing performs, then what you can do is go on over to this video here because this has already been in a tool test draw. It's going up against another fierce competitor. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Some of you already know. Go on over there. Check it out. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.